Hello everyone, this is Cherry from the Greatest Digital Creatives, and today is day 2 of our 5-day Facebook Live event we call The Big Reset Turn Crisis into Success in 2021. But before we proceed to our second topic this evening, again, I just want to invite you on December 1st, 2020, we're going to have a free mentoring program called The Greatest Blog Launch a Successful Blogging Business in 30 Days. To know more about this program, I will have the link in the description for you to sign up. And in case you miss any of our live events this week, feel free to watch the replays on our YouTube channel. I'll have the link in the description as well. So if you want to know more about how to make money blogging and WordPress development, feel free to like and subscribe. So thank you for supporting the greatest. Alright, so let's get to today's topic. Today's topic is for aspiring bloggers and freelance writers who want to start a blog. Because today's topic is about what kind of blog should you start. There. Now, as someone who's been blogging since 2018 and someone who's been writing blogs for clients since 2015, I understand how tedious it is to keep a blog running. But for some who hasn't tried it yet, starting a blog I think is the most difficult step. So for me, there are 3 factors to consider in choosing your blog niche, especially if you're starting a blog in 2021. The first one is, are people searching for this topic? So for example, you want to start a blog about urban gardening. Like, when the pandemic started, it's really scary to go out and buy stuff from the grocery store or from the market. So people opted to plant from their backyard, like me. In March, I planted kangkong, basil, and okra. And I started harvesting in mid-April and until May. So there. So if you want to start a blog about this, you can try to search in Google. And there you go. As you can see, there are topics here related to urban gardening that people are looking for. You can even niche down to apartment gardening for beginners. There. Number 2. Will I get tired of it? So let's say you want to push the urban gardening blog. Do you think that's something that you'd be interested in, in the long run? Or are you going to get tired of talking about urban gardening over and over? If yes, you may want to choose another blog niche. Because there are instances when, you can rebrand in the future, but it can be a waste of time and money eventually. Now, for example, you already bought the domain name urbangardeningforbeginners.com, and then in the middle of 2021, you want to transfer or you want to shift your blog niche to K-drama. So it's there. Those are 2 separate niches that aren't related. So it's gonna be hard. You're gonna buy another domain name for the other for the K-drama blog. Plus, it's just a waste of time and money for starting the one that you're not gonna stick to. So there. Number 3, will I make money from this niche? So again, let's try to push the urban gardening blog. There are a lot of brands out there that you can collaborate with. Let's say, companies who are selling seeds, selling pots, fertilizers, gardening tools. You can offer sponsored posts, which is also one way of making money from your blog, by the way. So you have to be sure that the niche you will choose is profitable. Remember, we are starting a blogging business, and it is something that can support the life you want in the future. So if the blog will just make you spend more and more money eventually, and you not getting your investment back, then it's not really worth it. So, so here are some examples of blog niches that you can try in 2021. So under the lifestyle niche, you can try a blog about personal development, minimalism, productivity, and career tips. Under parenting, there is homeschooling, of course. First time moms in their 40s and up, and then balancing career and family life. For arts and crafts, there's DIY projects, sewing, crocheting. For pet care, there are cats, dogs, rabbit, fish, ants, hamster. You can even niche down to a specific dog breed or cat breed. There. And for food, there's also blogs about baking, coffee, how to lose weight, a blog about smoothies, and street food that you can do at home. So, to wrap up, what kind of blog should you start? In one sentence, all I can say is start a blog that you're not going to hate. Because, like I said, the aim is to start a blogging business. So you have to be in it. You have to be interested in your subject, in your niche, in the long run. And this is something that I'd like to teach inside the mentoring program. And again, if you're interested, feel free to sign up. The link is going to be in the description. So that's about it for tonight's live event. I hope you find these topics helpful. And tomorrow, we're going to kick things off with how to sell self-published books on Amazon with Miss Mayumi Cruz. That's tomorrow night, 6 p.m. So if you've already started a blog and you may want to make more money off of it by selling digital products, in this case in form of an ebook, then tomorrow's event is for you. So take care. Thanks for joining me tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow night. Take care. Bye.